Well, here's my YZ490, Steve, 1983. I'm restoring for a keeper, all zinc plated bolts all the way through, powder coated engine. I rebuilt all the engine and bearing seals, zinc plated kickstarter, and everything zinc plated and new. She's looking good. I love the look of these things. All brand new, all zinc plated, everything. Maybe I should do your restorations, hey? Nah, just kidding. All these swing arms all done. Everything zinc plated and brand new on it, basically. Except for this, you can't buy these. I'd like to do something with that rubber at the end, but you can't buy those. But she's absolutely beautiful. All the zinc plating. Love it. There's my other one. I'll probably restore. And there's another one. I've got 3 of these 490s. These are the new rims. Had all the powder coating done on the hubs. Powder coating all done, and new zinc plated bolts. She's looking good. Just doing the shock now. Gonna get the rear spring powder coated.